Hey everyone out there. So today I need to speak directly to girls who are listening out there. And if you are a man or a boy and you want your fiance, your female friend, your wife, your sister, your mother to change their mindset, you want them to update their mindset, you want them to be financially independent, do share it to them. I am telling it'll surely change their mindset because I being a girl I am talking to another girl because I have been through those situations. So let's come into the point directly. We are living in the society where social media shows us the luxury, the soft life, the shopping halls, the vacations, those random dates, those luxury hotels. But, but nobody talks about savings, how important emergency and health insurance are, how important it is to be financially independent for a girl, how important it is to invest as early. So, you girl, coming to reality, see, love is beautiful, marriage is beautiful, relationships are beautiful, but you being financially independent in all those circumstances, that's your power. That is your power. If you're doing well, if you have a hell lot of money, girl, you can do anything. See, men these days are too weak. I'm telling, are too weak. If you're finding a man with you, like who has been with you with another woman, you can just you can just calculate how easy it is to attract men. But it is not that easy to attract money. See, if you are having money, surely you can attract men. I am telling. I don't know. Like I am telling, like getting married, it is up to you. But according to me, you have to stop thinking about it until you get financially independent. If you are in a healthy relationship, then it's fine. But if you are in a relationship that is literally breaking you down every single day, it might be a mental health, it might be you emotionally getting abused. Girl, it is not to you. You have to come over it. It is not your whole world. Men's are like that. You have to come out of it. You should never depend completely on somebody else for your survival. That is what we are doing. We always look for security. We always look for rescue. We can't go out for ourselves. I know us, like we are in India and people tell it is like we have got freedom, but no, I know it is not. We are not so safe to go out in midnight. We always go out with our friends, with our male friends specifically, or with our dad, with our brother, for our security, because we can't believe our society, right? That is what I'm telling. You have to learn every single thing that makes you makes you feel secure by yourself. Don't completely depend on somebody else because life is unpredictable. Jobs are lost. Even you can't predict somebody's health. You can lose people. They might pass away. Relationship changes. And when you own the money and when you own the skills and when you own the mindset, that you will that will make sure that you will never be trapped. I'm telling you will never be trapped. If you have a skill that and if you have a mindset telling that I can overcome, I can do things, if you have that positive mindset, surely I'm telling, girl, you're already standing out and you will surely do it. So let's try shifting our mindset. Whenever we let's take an example of this. Whenever we find a relationship, we often find a relationship that is safe or like that provides a secure future, right? We never tell that I need a man who is good, who is kind hearted, who look out. Like, we always tell, I need a man who look after me so well. You never tell, I need a man who leave me to take care of him, who left me to lead the family. We never talk about it. We always tell that I need a man who take care of me, my children's, my kids, my parents. We always need somebody to take care of us. That is the mindset that we are having currently. Let's shift our mindset. Instead of us seeking somebody for a rescue, let us tell like I need to be successful. Let me be successful. I'll surely. You should be in a position to ask a man. See, if you are marrying me or if you want me, be with me because I can really, really, really take care of you very well. Be in that position. Be in that position where you can offer things, not to take an offer. And then, girls, I want to tell you is speak up. Be confident enough to speak up. Like, as soon as you start to be confident, as soon as you start talking, taking a stand for yourself, girl, learn this soon as possible. The earlier you get into this, there is more chances for you going through. There is more chances of you succeeding. Stop only focusing on spending. Start focusing on earning. Start focusing on building skills that gives you money. Start focusing on investing. It might be a small business. Start pitching your ideas. Don't stay at home. Go roam around. Get to know world. Get to know people around you. Get to know their mindset. Try to interact. Live out your, go away from your social media. I'm telling, go away from your social media. Talk to your friends. Build networking. I am telling, networking is the utmost thing that will drastically change your life. I'm telling, that will drastically surely change your life. For an example, I would tell to all girls, watch this movie Swiped, because that's based on a real story. So you guys are familiar with the Tinder and Bumble. That is, those are dating apps. And the main head behind this is Whitney Wolf. What happened to her was, like, I would shortly summarize the movie. Uh, the starting, like, intro of the movie goes like there'll be a party, or where she'll be pitching her idea to every single person. Okay, and then there, like, but then she ended up telling to no one. By the time she get into the car, she'll be having a CEO of the startup next to her. Okay, and then at the beginning, he seems to be really well, really well behaved. Okay, and she pitches her idea. uh, that will not get approved, but then by her to like the skill to communicate, by the skill that she tell, he gets impressed and he'll hire her. For sure he'll hire her, because that is what the company need. You need to have that skill to convince anybody, convince your stakeholders, convince your client. That is what it needs at the end. And she does it, she gets hired, and that startup will be running a dating app, which will be having like around 200 users. The moment that she steps in, she starts feeding it like a baby. She started babying it. She named it Tinder. She worked, she went for campaigns. She did everything that made a company to go from 200 to 1 million users. And then there comes a twist. I don't want to completely tell the story, but then you guys watch it. And there comes a twist. She'll be like, she will resign, or like it was forcefully made her to resign. And then on the other hand, she went through all those depression. Surely there comes a moment everybody have to go through depression. Girl, you're not the only one who is going through depression. Everybody will be having the moment where they go down. where they are so low, and you have to have that mindset to come over. And then having that in our mind, she chose to be a feminist and built Bumble BFF. That is what she's. I would tell all girls to watch that, and I have nothing to tell about it. You guys have to watch it. Look at them. Take them as your inspiration. See, every there will be highs and lows. That's life. You have to accept what you can't you can't take everybody to be perfect. Everybody changes at one or the other time. That is life. That is how people changes. That is their nature. That is how the nature has been made, and you have to agree it. You have to not take it as a huge big thing and that turns out to be trauma. You should never, you should be in the mindset, okay, what happened has happened, everything happens for a reason, and you have to take that as your motivation for the next thing, and you should not repeat the mistake that you have made earlier. So what is stopping you come out of, or if there is, I guess we all are so privileged that we have everything that we need. We have everything on our table, but then we are not using it. That is our fault. That is why this all this has happening. See, I'm telling you that you don't have to be a billionaire, but you have to be in a position where you can lead your family like your father did, and your father is doing. You have to be in that position, and if you're already in, I'm so happy for you, girl, god bless you. And if you're also not in there, it's not too late. Warner Buffett started at 60. You're not too late. Start it today, from today. Have that change. So this is all I wanted to tell. Never choose a person who secure your life. Be you to secure your life. Learn everything that is needed to secure your life. Everything needed to build your future, build your own empire, build your own castle. That is what I like. I am much into Disney, so I love this castles. So you should be a queen. That is all I wanted to tell. Never come down. Never be in that depression. I don't know who invented the word depression, and everybody treat depression like you cannot overcome. Girl, you can overcome, but you should have that mindset to come over. That is all. It all takes a mindset, not a therapist. It all takes a mindset. It all takes a moment to think about it, and think about what's wrong, what's right, what need to be happened, what happened. If you know all this, you're sorted. You'll never go to depression. Though you go, you'll surely come. So, girls, this generation, you're powerful. But I'm telling it again, but the power without financial control is incomplete. So, I'm telling you all, choose money. Money is honey. It's always money is honey. Do everything that makes you safe. Girl, you have to wake up. You have to come into the reality. You start learning today, grow from today. Because our goal is not just to survive, it's to go ahead. You have to stay ahead in all the situations. You have to be at your fingertips. Girl, I'm telling, come to reality, switch to reality. That's it. If you're so practical enough, you're already there, and you'll surely do some or the other thing. That's it. I guess I am much sure that this video was helpful to you. Thank you.